Kia has proudly marked its 80th anniversary by unveiling a remarkable Restomod version of its iconic Pride model, now reimagined as an electric vehicle. The Pride EV combines nostalgic design elements with modern electric technology, showcasing Kia's commitment to sustainability while honoring its rich heritage. This innovative project not only highlights the brand's evolution over the decades but also sets a precedent for future electric vehicles that embrace both style and performance. The original Kia Pride debuted in the late 1980s as a compact hatchback, quickly gaining popularity for its practicality and affordability. The Restomod version pays homage to this classic while integrating a host of modern features, including a fully electric powertrain that delivers 107 horsepower. This blend of old and new is a testament to Kia's ability to adapt and innovate while maintaining a connection to its roots. One of the standout features of the Pride EV is its compact, lightweight design. The vehicle retains the distinctive silhouette of the original Pride, featuring a rounded body and retro-inspired details that evoke a sense of nostalgia. However, the exterior is enhanced with contemporary touches, such as sleek LED headlights and a modern grille, giving the vehicle a fresh and updated appearance. The color palette also reflects a playful spirit, appealing to both longtime fans of the brand and a new generation of eco-conscious drivers. Under the hood, the Pride EV is powered by an advanced electric motor that not only provides sufficient power for urban driving but also contributes to a more sustainable future. With a focus on efficiency, the electric powertrain allows for an impressive range on a single charge, making it a practical choice for everyday commuting. The transition to electric also aligns with Kia's broader strategy to electrify its lineup, reflecting the industry's shift toward cleaner energy solutions. Inside, the Pride EV offers a thoughtfully designed cabin that combines comfort with cutting-edge technology. The interior features modern amenities, including a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with smartphones. This ensures that drivers can enjoy connectivity and entertainment options while on the road, enhancing the overall driving experience. The use of eco-friendly materials in the interior design further emphasizes Kia's commitment to sustainability. In addition to its impressive performance and modern features, the Pride EV showcases advanced safety technologies. Kia has equipped the vehicle with a suite of driver assistance systems designed to enhance safety on the road. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking provide peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, making the Pride EV a well-rounded option for modern mobility. Kia's decision to create a Restomod version of the Pride aligns with a growing trend in the automotive industry, where classic vehicles are reimagined for contemporary use. By blending nostalgia with innovation, Kia appeals to both collectors and new customers looking for unique vehicles that stand out in a crowded market. The Pride EV not only pays tribute to the brand's history but also sets a precedent for future electric models that may draw inspiration from classic designs. The announcement of the Pride EV comes at a time when the demand for electric vehicles is surging, and manufacturers are increasingly focusing on sustainability. Kia's commitment to producing environmentally friendly vehicles is further reinforced by this anniversary model, which demonstrates that electric cars can be both stylish and practical. As cities around the world move toward greener transportation options, the Pride EV is positioned to be a compelling choice for urban dwellers. In conclusion, the Kia Pride EV Restomod is a fitting tribute to the brand's 80 years of innovation and progress. By merging the classic design of the original Pride with modern electric technology, Kia has created a vehicle that resonates with nostalgia while embracing the future of mobility. The Pride EV not only showcases the brand's evolution but also reinforces Kia's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. As the automotive landscape continues to shift, the Pride EV stands as a symbol of Kia's dedication to delivering exciting, eco-friendly vehicles that honor its heritage while paving the way for a greener future. With its blend of style, performance, and innovation, the Pride EV is sure to make a lasting impression in the world of electric vehicles, celebrating Kia's legacy while looking ahead to the road that lies ahead.